Have you ever wondered how much space your pigs really need to grow well and stay healthy? Or maybe you're planning to build your pig pen and don't want to waste money or space? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep into the right pig pen sizes in feet. Whether you're raising tiny weaners, fast-growing growers, or big, heavy adult pigs. We'll break down the exact pen measurements you need for one pig and for multiple pigs, including the height of the pen, floor materials, and more. Let's get your pig pen right, once and for all. If you want a free pig pen plan in PDF, we've got you covered. This video has been re-uploaded for you to be able to download it this time, pinned in description and comment section. Let's start with why this matters. Giving pigs the right amount of space affects their growth rate, their health and hygiene, aggression or fighting, and how easy it is for you to clean and manage the pen. Too small, and they'll be stressed, sick, and stunted. Too big, you're just wasting money on cement, bricks, and space you don't need. First, let's divide pigs into three simple categories. Weaners. These are piglets just separated from their mother, around 2 to 3 months old, and weighing 5 to 20 kilograms. Growers. These are pigs around 3 to 5 months old, weighing between 20 to 60 kilograms. This is the stage they grow the fastest. Adults or finishers. These are pigs from 6 months and above, weighing over 60 kilograms, either ready for breeding or slaughter. Let's start with one pig. Here's a basic guide for minimum floor space per pig. Weaner, 5 to 20 kilograms. Size per pig, 3 feet by 4 feet equals 12 square feet. Height of pen walls, 2.5 to 3 feet. Grower, 20 to 60 kilograms. Size per pig, 4 feet by 5 feet equals 20 square feet. Height of pen walls, 3 to 3.5 feet. Adult or finisher, 60 kilograms plus. Size per pig, 5 feet by 6 feet equals 30 square feet. Height of pen walls, 3.5 to 4 feet. These are minimums. If you have space, it's always better to give pigs a bit more room, especially breeders like sows or boars. Now, let's say you want to raise pigs in groups, which is common in commercial farming. Here's what you should aim for per group of pigs based on their stage. Weaners, 10 piglets. Pen size, 6 feet by 10 feet, equals 60 square feet. Each pig gets 6 square feet. Height of walls, 3 feet. Because they're small and move in groups, you can fit more piglets per space, but don't overcrowd. Growers, 10 pigs. Pen size, 8 feet by 12 feet, equals 96 square feet. Each pig gets about 9.6 square feet. Wall height, 3.5 feet. Adult pigs return finishers, 10 pigs. Pen size, 10 feet by 15 feet equals 150 square feet. Each pig gets 15 square feet. Wall height, 4 feet, pregnant sow pen. Minimum, 5 feet by 7 feet. With creep area for piglets, 5 feet by 10 feet. Always leave a small drainage slope in the floor, around 1 to 2%, to prevent water from pooling. Not just the walls. What about the overall building height? For indoor pens, your roof height should be between low side, 6.5 feet, high side, 8 feet or more, for good ventilation. Make sure there's enough airflow. You can add vents or leave openings at the top, covered with mesh, to reduce heat. Your floor can help prevent disease, control odor, and make cleaning easier. Here's what to use for each stage. Weaners. Use smooth concrete floors, but not slippery. Add rubber mats or sawdust for warmth. Keep it dry. Piglets get cold easily. Growers. Rough concrete floor with proper slope. You can use rice husks or wood shavings, helps absorb urine. Clean every day to prevent disease. Adults. Concrete or slatted floors. Slatted floors help with drainage. For breeding pens, use rubber mats to prevent injuries to heavy pigs. Always disinfect the floor before bringing in new pigs. Drainage is a must. Slope the floor toward a gutter, 1 to 2 inches drop per 10 feet. Feeding trough space. Each pig should have at least 12 inches, 1 foot, of feeding space. For group pens, use long concrete or metal troughs. Water should always be available in automatic drinkers or clean bowls. Materials to use for walls. Bricks or blocks for lower part, up to 3 to 4 feet. Wire mesh or wood for upper part if you want airflow. Paint the inside with lime to reduce germs. Ventilation tips. Leave a 1-foot gap between the top of the wall and the roof. Use wire mesh to stop flies and snakes. Roofing. Use zinc sheets or aluminum. Always have a slanted roof to let rain run off. Let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. Weaners, 3 by 4 feet per pig. Growers, 4 by 5 feet per pig. Adults, 5 by 6 feet per pig. Wall height, 2.5 to 4 feet. Building height, 6.5 to 8 feet. Good floor materials, concrete, rubber mats, sawdust. Proper drainage, feeding space, and ventilation are key. Now you know the right sizes and feet for pig pens, whether you're housing just one pig or starting a full piggery. Remember, good housing leads to healthy pigs, and healthy pigs lead to more profit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other farmers. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll show you how to build a pig pen step by step on a budget. Drop a comment below